Hi, how you doing? I was meant to go paragliding on Tuesday, but the winds were too strong and they've forwarded it today to go paragliding, and I had a phone call again today saying it's cancelled again, so I've cancelled the trip because the winds are too strong. So this afternoon I'm going to go and do buggy driving off-road and on-road, see what it's all about, and hope you enjoyed the video. It was a shame that I couldn't do the paragliding. I was so looking forward to it, but better to be safe than sorry. So let's go do some buggy driving. Just had to stop because my buggy, the cam belt has gone on it. I couldn't get up the hill. Luckily, the buggy behind me was there instead of a car, and he smashed me straight up the back. So we went for another buggy to come. There's mine there. That's my buggy. Lucky a car wasn't behind me. Smelt rubber burning, and then next minute it just seized on me. Anyway, everyone's okay. Waiting for another buggy to come, and all fun. Just got the second buggy and now this one's broken. Another excursion not to be happening. It's not meant to be. Anyway, let's go back to the hotel. Right, update. Went back to the office. The manager was trying to make me go on another one in 2 hours' time. I said no, I just want my money back. And won't be doing that again. Doing the buggy. And that, my back is hurting a bit now, where the other buggy went straight up the back of me. And that. 2 buggies broke within 5 minutes. I think I need to service them. And that, and got to get my money back tomorrow. I've got another trip tomorrow, going to the other islands over there. I can't remember the name of it at the moment. So that trip goes okay. So that's 2 trips blown out on me. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and so much for bugging.